Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. Electric vehicles are celebrated for their simplicity, but that's only half the story. While they lack traditional maintenance tasks like oil changes, repairs can be astronomically expensive. EVs might have fewer moving parts, but their complexity means costly specialized repairs and diagnostics, often performed by a limited number of mechanics. In this video, we'll dive into the sky-high repair costs and how they can shock your wallet. Number 6. Sky-high repair bills, the hidden costs of EV ownership. When an EV gets into an accident, brace yourself for a financial roller coaster. While the absence of traditional maintenance tasks is a selling point, the complexity involved in repairing these simple machines can hit like a ton of bricks. Specialized parts, complex diagnostics, and the scarcity of skilled mechanics result in repair costs that are nothing short of astronomical. Imagine this: your EV gets into a minor fender bender. What should be a routine fix can quickly spiral into a deep dive into your bank account. EVs aren't just cars. They're technological marvels requiring more replacement parts than your old gas guzzler. And finding a mechanic who knows their way around these vehicles is like finding a needle in a haystack. Traditional mechanics are often left scratching their heads, while EV experts command premium prices. As a result, you're stuck with long repair times, higher bills, and an empty wallet. Number 5. The insurance premium trap. EVs cost more than you think. If you thought the sky-high repair costs of EVs were the worst part of owning one, think again. Insuring these high-tech vehicles is also a significant expense. Due to their costly and complex repairs, insurance companies view EVs as riskier investments, which translates into higher premiums for owners. On average, EV drivers pay around $357 a month for insurance, compared to $248 for those with conventional gas vehicles. Why the steep premiums? It's all about the repair process. EVs require specialized parts and repairs that involve limited repair shops, making the whole process more expensive and cumbersome. Insurance companies factor these potential costs into their premiums to mitigate their risk, making your monthly insurance payment a constant reminder of the hidden costs of EV ownership. So, while EVs might be marketed as low maintenance, the insurance bills tell a different story. As you enjoy the benefits of electric driving, be prepared for the financial reality that accompanies it. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Number 4. Battery blues, the true cost of EV batteries. Let's talk about the Achilles heel of electric vehicles, the battery. It's packed with cutting-edge technology and thousands of lithium cells. But when something goes wrong, it's more like opening Pandora's box. Even a minor incident can cause significant battery damage, leading to a repair process that's anything but simple. EV batteries are located just above the car's floor, making them highly vulnerable to damage from road debris. And when damage occurs, it's often not a quick fix. In many cases, the entire battery needs replacing, a process that's not only expensive but also environmentally unfriendly due to the rare materials involved. The cost? We're talking tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes more than the car is worth. This can lead insurance companies to declare the vehicle a total loss, even if it's relatively new. Number 3. The hidden costs of EV software updates. While over-the-air (OTA) updates for electric vehicles are often hailed as a revolutionary advancement, they come with their own set of challenges. These updates, intended to enhance your vehicle's performance, can sometimes introduce unforeseen issues that lead to expensive repairs. Take Tesla, for instance. The brand is renowned for regularly pushing OTA updates, but these can sometimes degrade battery performance, cause system glitches, or even trigger unexpected malfunctions. If your vehicle is out of warranty, these repairs can be quite costly, turning what seemed like a harmless update into a significant financial burden. Moreover, the specialized software tools required to diagnose and fix these issues are often exclusive to the manufacturer or authorized service centers. This lack of access to independent mechanics can drive up costs and leave your vehicle out of commission for longer than expected. In essence, while OTA updates offer convenience, they also carry the potential for hidden costs that many new EV owners don't anticipate. Number 2. Charging infrastructure woes and related expenses. Charging an electric vehicle may seem straightforward, but the reality can be far more complex and expensive than anticipated. The increasing demand for EVs puts strain on public charging stations, leading to a range of hidden costs. Fast charging at public stations can be significantly more expensive than home charging. However, not every EV owner has access to a home charger, especially in urban areas without private parking. As a result, the cost of using public fast chargers can add up quickly, particularly in high-demand areas. Additionally, the inconsistency and unreliability of public charging stations can lead to unexpected expenses. Broken chargers, long wait times, or fully occupied stations can force you to seek out more expensive alternatives or take detours, consuming both time and money. Frequent use of fast chargers can also accelerate battery degradation, leading to costly repairs or even early replacement, a hidden cost many EV owners overlook. Number 1. Real-life examples. The stark reality of EV repair costs is illustrated by real-life cases that highlight the steep financial risks. Take Scott McFiggin's Rivian pickup truck, for example. A seemingly minor dent under the rear tail lamp led to an astronomical repair bill of $22,000. This wasn't a quick fix. It took over 2.5 months, leaving McFiggen without his truck and facing a jaw-dropping expense. Similarly, consider the Hyundai Ioniq 5. After a minor scrape that damaged the battery's protective cover, the inspection revealed significant battery impact, resulting in a replacement cost of 60,000 Canadian dollars, more than many people pay for the car itself. The insurer deemed the vehicle a total loss due to the prohibitive battery replacement cost. These cases reveal a broader issue with EVs. The complexity and expense of EV battery repairs often turn a simple issue into a financial nightmare. The myth that EVs are cheaper to maintain crumbles in the face of these high costs. So before diving into the world of electric vehicles, be prepared for potential financial pitfalls and remember that the real cost can be significantly higher than expected. Don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit to stay updated on the latest vehicle news and upcoming videos. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth insights into the automotive world. Also, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. See you on the road.